Alright, ito na po ang ating Toto 50,000 power bank. Yes, 50,000 power bank galing kay Lazada. Bubuksan na natin siya, alamin natin sa loob. At yun. At nakita ko na paano buksan. Wow. Ito siya. Mabigat siya. That nga. Nakalagay dito 50,000 power testingin natin siya kung totoong 50,000 power ang kanyang capacity. At ito din kanyang USB. So ano pa ba naman? May warranty ba? Wala. Yun lang laman niya. Okay. Kung warranty naman, nandyan naman sila sana. Pwede nyo ito yung package kung may problema sa padala. At ito kanyang USB. Subukan natin siya kung mayroon siyang power. Wait. Yan. Nodeco white. Ito kanyang power button. 2 USB port and 1 micro USB port for charging. Turn on na natin siya. Wait, turn on. 4 likes. Subukan natin siya i-charge dito sa isa. Excuse me, nahirapan lang. Pagkabit, pagsaksak, medyo mahirap. May power siya, so sinan natin kung charge na to. At ito siya, nag-charge. Mga kaibigan, ito ang ating power bank. 4 like pa siya, so hindi ko alam kung full charge siya ng pinadala sa akin. Galing delivery from Lazada. For full review, we will find out about that later or the next day, depending on how much charging I use on my smartphone or other gadget like Bluetooth speaker. That's it for now. If you want to know the price of this product of Toto power bank 15,000 mAh, visit Lazada and check out their price. I ordered this power bank at $399 at their big discount until now. So why not order while it's still available for a big discount? And if you have a coupon for voucher to discount, and why not use it? That's it for unboxing. Thank you.